In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent on Mailchimp, a skill that can make your email campaigns look even more professional and polished. If you've ever found yourself struggling with formatting in Mailchimp, particularly with creating that perfect indentation for your text or paragraphs, you're in the right place. First things first, let's navigate to Mailchimp's login page. It's crucial to start here because you'll need access to your account to make any changes to your campaigns. Once you're on the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your username or email. This is the first step in accessing the powerful tools Mailchimp offers, so make sure you enter the information associated with your account. Next up, it's time to type in your password. Be careful to enter it correctly to avoid any unnecessary login issues. The goal here is to get into your account smoothly so you can start working on your campaigns as quickly as possible. Once you've successfully entered your credentials, look for the login button and give it a click. This will take you directly into the heart of Mailchimp where all the magic happens. Here, you're just a few steps away from tweaking your campaigns. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Mailchimp. From here, you want to direct your attention to the campaigns section. This area is where you'll select the specific campaign you wish to edit. Mailchimp's user interface is designed to make this process as straightforward as possible, so navigating to campaigns shouldn't be a problem. In the campaigns section, take your time to find the specific campaign you want to edit. Have a look through the list and select any campaign that requires your attention. The flexibility to edit any campaign at your fingertip is what makes Mailchimp such a powerful tool for marketers and communicators. Once you've pinpointed the campaign that needs editing, go ahead and click on Edit Design. This is where the creative work begins. You're now in the editor, where you can add, remove, and modify elements to your heart's content, shaping your campaign to match your vision. Now to the heart of today's lesson, adjusting indentation. Look for the padding option within the editor. This little feature is your gateway to controlling the spacing and indentation of your content, allowing you to align your text precisely as you see fit. A well-indented email can significantly enhance readability and overall visual appeal, making your campaign look neat and professional. Within the padding section, you'll find the option to adjust numbers. These numbers represent the padding amount around your elements, essentially allowing you to control how indented your text is from the block edges. Experiment with these numbers until you find the perfect indent level for your content. Remember, slight adjustments can make a big difference in the overall look of your email, so take your time to get it just right. And with that final adjustment, you've successfully learned how to indent in Mailchimp. It might seem like a minor detail, but this level of customization is what sets apart good campaigns from great ones. Remember, the key to a successful email campaign is not just the message itself, but also how it's presented. Indenting your text properly can help ensure that your message is not only read, but also appreciated and remembered. Throughout this video, we've walked through the process of logging into your Mailchimp account, navigating to the campaigns section, selecting a campaign to edit, and finally adjusting the indentation of your content for better readability and presentation. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're now more comfortable making these adjustments to your own campaigns. As always, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to experiment with different indent levels and padding adjustments to see what works best for your emails. Mailchimp's platform is designed to be user-friendly, so take advantage of these features to enhance your email marketing efforts. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful guides like this one. Happy campaigning!